right? So you want to have these tools. They're almost like bragging rights for professional contractors and builders.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. One of the things with RIDGID, as you know, we are very strong in mechanical and plumbing area. With this new acquisition now, we are serving to mechanical, electrical, and plumbing needs. So please take your time to really engage with our team to see the product. There are lots of innovations. I think it will be very useful for you on the job site as well.
When you've got rigid tools, it really does look good. It speaks well for your companies.
Una-una, pagka may rigid ka, ang impression sa'yo ng kliyente mo, astig ka.
Napakalaki po ang pinagbago. Nag-umpisa lang po ako sa isang maliit na tindahan. Ngayon ko, nakabili na ako ng RIDGID. Nakapasok na po ako sa mga kontraktor. Nakapagpatapos na rin ako ng mga anak ko. Dahil lang dyan sa 18-20 ton na RIDGID.
Sa MRT 3 ako nag-work for almost 2 decades. Buong MRT system na rehab namin. So far, natapos namin.
For me, as a general contractor in line of plumbing, so may confidence ka for projects to come, may confidence yung owner sa'yo.
Tao namin is confident sila na hindi masisira, tsaka nagagamit na matagal talaga.
Efficient siya, mabilis, sulit. Marami nang natapos na project.
The improvement that we made to the system was effective with zero downtime. Yun ang effect po nun.
One of the key unique things here, you really involved to our helping the community.